If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and optimize your connection. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other websites or online services. If your connection is slow or intermittent, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Sometimes, simply restarting the Roblox application can resolve connection issues. Close the application completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can enhance connectivity. Check for updates in the Roblox app or on the website and install any available updates. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Roblox from connecting to the internet. Check the settings of your firewall and antivirus programs to ensure that Roblox is allowed to access the internet. You may need to add Roblox as an exception. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can improve connectivity. You can switch to a public DNS service like Google DNS or OpenDNS. To do this, go to your network settings, find the DNS settings, and enter the new DNS addresses for Google DNS. Use 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your connection and reduce errors while playing Roblox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.